Welcome to another Simple Dad TikTok tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to create the Barbie AI video trend on TikTok. If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then go ahead and hit that subscribe button to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful. So now TikTok has a new template where you can create videos of yourself looking like Barbie. So let me show you how to create this video trend on TikTok. So before we begin, you want to first make sure you have TikTok and you have an app called CapCut. CapCut is a free video editor which is available on your Google Play Store or your App Store. So go ahead and download that. Once that is downloaded, go ahead and open up your TikTok app. At the top, you're searching for Filtro De Barbie. I'll put this in the description so you can copy and paste, or I'll show it on screen here. Now in the search results, you want to go ahead and scroll down until you see the following video, which looks like this. Now go ahead and tap on that. As you can see, this template is really unique as it takes your video and turns it into a Barbie character. While other CapCut templates only take your picture and turns it into a Barbie character. So once you've found that, go ahead and tap on CapCut, try this template. This will now show you the template. Now from here, go ahead and tap on Use Template in CapCut. This will open up CapCut and will show you the template again. Go ahead and tap on Use Template at the bottom right. Now from here, this will open up your photo library. From your photo library, go ahead and choose Video and make sure you choose a video of yourself. Then tap on Preview. This will now analyze your video and will turn it into a Barbie. And there you go. So it's taken a video of a real model and turned it into a Barbie. Now once you're happy with that, go ahead and tap on Add Sound in TikTok at the top right. This will start to export the video and send it over to TikTok. TikTok will automatically add the trending sound to it. You can go ahead and add your text, stickers, or any effects, and then post this video to TikTok. So there you go. That is how to create the Barbie AI video trend on TikTok. If this video is helpful, then please subscribe to see more videos like this. If you have any other questions, then please do let me know in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.